Hey, welcome back to the channel, YouTube friends. And no, it's not a speaker unboxing or demo or anything of that sort. This time around, I'm going to be focusing on these headphones. They are the Sennheiser HD58X Jubilee headphones. These are special edition headphones that were released in conjunction with Massdrop, which is the very popular audiophile community site, and Sennheiser, who are known for their headphones, iconic brand out of Europe. And they've come together, they've created this headphone called the Jubilee Edition of the Sennheiser HD58X, which is essentially an upgrade of the old Sennheiser 660s, HD 660s. And it's believed that these are a cheaper version, of course. They're HD 660s and all the other HD headphones essentially cost way in the hundreds of dollars, $300 and up. Massdrop decided to make a cheaper version of this headphone, and they've called it the Jubilee Edition. And this headphone I snapped up for only $150 on Massdrop. The drop is still available, so you can check. I'll leave the link in my description. But it's still around, and I've snapped them up. I got them in, and let's have a look at what they're all made of, what's in the box. So there you see the box right in front of me, my trusty knife, and let's get through this. Okay. Okay, we got it open, at least one box. No fancy packaging right here. There you go. The HD58X budget audiophile headphones. I wanted to get in this headphone game, and I decided to, why not start with this? Sennheiser is a reputable company, so I want to give them a try. Okay, that's what they are. Get this box out of the way. Alright. Get that wrapper out of the way. Packaging, as you can see, quite low-key. What I'll call it budget packaging. Let's see. I'm doing this with one hand. Okay. Alrighty. And here they are. Let's get them out. They're very light. They look kind of cool. And here they are. You can see right there, it says HD58X Jubilee Edition. And I love these headphones, these velour pads. They're so soft. Oh, they feel so awesome right now. And here you go. Sennheiser branding at the top of the headphone. Now you may know or may have heard that there's another rivaling edition to this. That would be the HD6XX, and those are also on Massdrop. They're a little more expensive. I believe they're like $190, and they're said to be a little more defined than these. These have really awesome bass, but the HC6XXX are believed to be more open in the higher spectrum audio range. But these look pretty good. So let's see what else is in the box. Okay. You get your trusty manual. It gives you some directions, how to change the pads and all. And you of course get these cables. And oh, you get a stereo jack, a larger. So obviously these are designed to slip in your headphones, your music players, slip in your cell phones, your music players, because you can attach stuff to them. Stereo jack, you can put this right in your stereo, and I have a Sony system right over there. So I'm going to be listening to this. I've heard a lot about them. Let me see if I can grab the manual and get some quick specs on these. Here you go. Let me read this for you. It says the frequency response is 12 hertz to 38,500 hertz. Wow. They're dynamic and they're open headphones, of course. The impedance, listen to this, it's 150, which means that these headphones are easily driven. So no, you don't really need a headphone amp for these. These can be powered with your phone. Without cable, they weigh 260 grams. And of course, there's a stereo jack, a 3.5 stereo jack, and there's a quarter mini stereo jack plug. And the cable is, of course, OFC oxygen-free copper cable. You can see. So that's about it for the Massdrop edition Sennheiser. I'm being told that you can remove the ear pads, and the difference really visually between this and the HC6XX is that you can actually see through the ear section and see the inside of the drivers. But this has a rubber, sponge insulators that somehow changes the sound profile. So I'm curious to listen to this and hear what it's all about, and I'll share my thoughts. So that's about it. Unboxing of the Sennheiser HD 58x Jubilee Edition.